Bird and Kip. Episode 7. Kip is bored. It was a bright morning in the park. Kip wanted to play with Bird. But she was away looking for worms.
I'm bored,
said Kip.
I have nobody to play with. Maybe I'll collect acorns,
said Kip. Kip did that for a little while. Soon he was bored again.
What else can I look for?
Wondered Kip. Kip found a rusty can. He found an old shoe. And he found a slimy banana peel.
Yuck,
said Kip. Then Kip found something very strange. Kip found a person. But this was not a big person. It was a small person. She was as small as Kip.
Hi,
said Kip.
my name is Kip. What's your name?
The person didn't answer. She didn't say anything at all. Said Kip.
Why don't you talk?
Bird and Kip. Episode 8. The Small Person. Kip had someone to play with. But she didn't talk,
She's just shy.
thought Kip.
Let's play hide and seek.
Said Kip.
I'll hide first.
Kip ran and hid behind a bench. But the person didn't find him. She didn't even look for him.
Let's play catch instead,
said Kip. Kip threw an acorn to the person. But the acorn bounced off her head. She didn't even try to catch it. Bird flew over.
What are you doing?
She asked,
I'm playing with my new friend.
said Kip.
She's a small person. Hi,
Said Bird.
What's your name?
She doesn't talk.
said Kip. Bird looked at the person closely.
What does she do?
asked Bird.
Well, nothing really.
Said Kip.
You know why?
Said Bird.
This isn't a real person. This is a fake person.
Bird and Kip. Episode 9. The Fake Person. Kip looked closely at his new friend.
You're right, Bird.
He said.
This is a fake person. But she's still my friend.
No. She's our friend.
Bird said. Just then, they heard a voice.
I lost Ashley!
Cried a girl.
Don't worry.
Said her mom.
We'll find Ashley.
I wonder who Ashley is.
Said Bird.
It's sad that Ashley is lost.
Said Kip.
It sure is.
Said Bird.
I hope they find Ashley! Ashley!
Cried the girl. The girl came running over.
She's going to take our friend.
Cried Kip.
Kip, wait!
Said Bird.
I found Ashley, Mom!
Called the girl.
The fake person is Ashley.
Said Bird.
Oh, well.
Said Kip.
It's sad that we lost our fake friend.
I like real friends better anyway.
Said Bird.
Me too.
Said Kip.
Let's play hide and seek.
Bird and Kip. Episode 10. Going to the Beach.
Bird, I'm going to the beach.
Said Kip.
Wanna come with me?
Of course.
Said Bird.
I love the beach. I can't wait to get there.
Said Bird.
I'm going to play in the water.
I'm not going to play.
Said Kip.
I have work to do.
You have work to do?
Asked Bird.
Yes.
Said Kip.
I'm going to build a boat.
You're going to build a boat?
Asked Bird.
Are you going sailing?
No.
Said Kip.
We are going sailing.
On the ocean?
Asked Bird.
Yes.
Said Kip.
On the ocean. We're going to have an adventure.
I'm not so sure about this.
Said Bird. Bird.
I think so.
Said Kip.
How hard could it be?
Bird and Kip, Episode 11, Building a Boat. Bird and Kip were at the beach.
Look at this litter.
Said Bird.
I should pick it up.
Bird picked up the litter. Kip put his toolbox down. He took out his saw and hammer. And he started building his boat. Kip didn't really know how to build it. But he did the best he could.
I can't wait to go sailing,
He said. Just then a huge wave came in. It crashed into Kip's boat. Splash!
My boat!
Cried Kip. Bird was dragging a box up the beach. The wave crashed into Bird. Sploosh! Bird fell into the box.
Squawk!
She cried. Then the box zoomed straight toward Kip.
Look out!
Cried Bird. Crash! Now Kip was in the box too. And the box was headed for the ocean. Bird and Kip, Episode 12, Lost at Sea. Bird and Kip were out on the ocean. The box floated on the waves. It bobbed up and down,
We're sailing, Kip!
said Bird.
And I'm having a lot of fun!
But Kip wasn't having fun at all.
We're lost!
He cried.
We'll be lost at sea forever!
Oh, don't be silly, Kip.
Said Bird.
We won't be lost at sea forever. We're not even lost.
I miss my hole!
Cried Kip.
And I miss our tree! I don't like sailing anymore!
Soon the box landed on some rocks.
Oh no!
Said Kip.
Now we're stuck in a faraway land!
No, we aren't.
Said Bird.
We're still home. See? There's the roller coaster.
Said Kip.
You're right! Do you know what this means?
Asked Kip.
We sailed all the way around the world!
Little Fox.